Okay, so to fold up this graphic organizer, we're going to start by folding it in half along the dashed line. And then with your scissors, you can go ahead and cut along that fold. Okay, so we have 2 half sheets of paper, and one of these half sheets has a dark line through the center. Okay, that one we're going to fold in half the long way and just give it a little squeeze there. We don't have to fold the whole way across. And then with your scissors, you're just going to cut right along that solid line and then stop. So don't cut the whole way through the paper, just through that solid line, so that when you open it up, there's sort of a little pocket there, like a slit through the center. Okay, then on the other piece, there are solid lines along the top and the bottom edge here toward the middle. We're going to just cut right where those solid lines are located, like that. Okay, now this part can be a little bit tricky. You want to make sure that you put the pages in the right way. So we're going to find the one that says example 2 and lay that flat on the desk. Then we're going to take this other part here that has example 1, and we want example 1 to come before example 2. So we're going to fold this in half and just kind of squeeze it there like that, and then insert that into the slit that we cut. And then when you lay it out flat, okay, then we'll have the pages of the book in order. So find the cover page and then give that a crease. And since we inserted the one inside the other, the pages should all stay together without needing staples or tape or anything. So we'll have example 1 followed by a checkpoint problem, example 2 and another checkpoint, example 3, and then our last checkpoint. And on the back of the notes is a table with all of our transformations for the trig functions listed there, and some always, sometimes, never problems at the bottom.